Nga Igbo Abo.
Buara Bakwala.
Hey!
Wite.
Ooh, ite.
Ọwụrụ asụsụ nke ọzọ achọghị m ịkpọ aha.
Exactly.
Ha were egwu ọ na-aga ebe niile.
Exactly.
Egwu Igbo not the endanger at the moment, but ọkwa ihe anyị ji na-arụ ọrụ. Oh, okay, maybe Mama soro Ndi Igbo.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mary Claire here again. We're starting a new series today, called Igbo Nwere Mmadu. I am so excited to introduce our very first guest to the series, Ruffcoin. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it.
Cool, yeah.
So, because it is for Igbo advancement and Igbo preservation, I'm like, why don't we just try this interview in our language?
Okay.
You know, my Igbo is not that good because I was born here, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. If I'm saying something wrong, please correct me.
I'll try.
So it's a Igbo lesson. All right. So Ruffcoin Dalu Maka Ohera. Because go the viewers on you introduce yourself,
Yeah. Okay. I'm Ruffcoin Nwaba. Ezigbo aha m Fortune Moro Ako.
Okay.
Logo. I'm onye Owahia for Obingwa in Abia State. And that's pretty much it.
Nice. I'm na Ngwa. I didn't know. I got Ngwa convention.
Okay.
It was so good. It was so good. Like
wow.
the culture is so rich. So that's awesome. Isi na Igbo Nwaba. Okay. I'm working Naba.
Yeah, I'm Naba.
Okay.
And Emma Ebewu Abawungwa.
Yeah.
So even my village were like my main village were 10 minutes away from Aba.
Wow. Okay, so true Nwaba. Okay,
yes.
That's awesome. On the car otutu like celebrities, like many musicians I feel like other notable Igbo celebrities say Aba Pota. Oh, it's your cool.
Ebu.
Really?
On the few in the movie like
okay.
Aki and Popo.
Okay. Oh,
how Moabia then how to run
really?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Uche Jumbo.
Okay.
Rita Dominic.
Okay, that's a lot now. It's in
Rita Dominic.
Okay. Wow. I got Aba Ofoge. I know him Ebaho like for too long. Yeah, I just visited and left. But it was very, very interesting.
How long did you stay?
Maybe Ubochi Abo.
Okay.
Yeah, very, very little. And we're Ofu auntie Binaba. So yeah, we visited her. But it was really, really nice.
You got Ima here now.
I got Nima here. Ebeha. Yeah, that's why I went. Okay. I was 12 at the time, so I wasn't really like. But but Ngajoha. Yes, definitely. Mbobula, Nano, Aba, Odeka. Ndi Aba, the very ambitious, like Bambo, like you guys are like, very industrious, very what's the word I'm looking for? You guys are hustlers, know?
Yes.
So do you think growing up in Aba really impacted, your music career and how you've, developed in the industry?
In the Motranaba. The way of life really shaped my music. And,
right.
Yeah. I went to the village churches.
Okay.
Apostolic church.
Okay.
Bible church.
Nice.
So now I got that flow.
You got that flow. I checked around the first time I know your song Eriwa. I was like,
Okay.
ooh, this song Onata was good. It was a good song. You want to sing a little bit of it for us? I know you're tired.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's
okay.
Ama m n'ebiwago m. Onye n'igwe ama m akụwago m. Mana onwe ndị kụrụ ka m si akụgbu ego ha agwụgo. Ego ha agwụgo. Ama m natawago m. Papa eluigwe ama m anawago m. Mana onwe ndị nara ka m si ya n'ugbu ego ha agwụgo. Ego ha agwụgo. Chukwu menu
Eriwa, Eriwa.
Oh, okay, maybe I'm sorry.
Eriwa.
Eriwa.
Yay! That was so good. That song. Was it influenced by, what you said, like the music you grew up with?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
The music
awesome.
I grew up listening to.
Okay.
The sound.
Okay.
Yeah. And at that time, there weren't people doing that kind of music. Like people, my peers.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it was like an experiment to me that worked.
Okay, that's good.
A couple of people now got influenced by that
Exactly.
for the culture.
So safe to say you were a pioneer.
Yes. No, I'm a pioneer now.
Yes. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, I'm a pioneer because even I thought about it the other day. After the likes of the legends, Oliver De Coque,
exactly.
that used to give shout outs, call names of people in their
exactly.
songs.
Yeah.
I think after them, that group of people. After them, I think I'm the next person.
Okay.
In your because Nwaba came with those names. Then
exactly.
After a while, Duncan Mighty did
Yes. Okay, so Igbo's Megu tupu Duncan Mighty.
No.
Okay.
Duncan Mighty we bro. Omelambo.
Okay.
Onwere album nke mbụ.
Okay.
Then, but after Nwaba the second album nke nwere Port Harcourt Boy. Ya nwanne nwe ya agwakwala m si n'ọwụ taa ka awụ Nwaba Port Harcourt Boy.
Okay. That's cute. That's very cute. So Ikorona, you were one of the pioneers of this new Igbo influence of music into that sort. So okay, I want to ask you, right? How do you see I guess this new type of this genre of music, right? Igbo influenced music. How do you see it growing in the next 10 to 15 years? Do you see anything that you think might change or continue?
I just see it as you know how sometimes they say animals are endangered species.
Yeah.
So I think it's endangered.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, because I feel the people doing it at the moment are not getting as much support as
It's true.
Unlike
yes, I agree.
Yes, you
I
get
agree.
me. So mezie ma ndị ọzọ na-etolite achọchazikwa ime egwu Igbo. Achọrọ just
make the
mee ihe ọzọ na-awụ egwu Igbo. Can go farther, you get me. Because ọ bịara mezie sometimes ka even Igbo ị na-eme egwu Igbo ị na-eme limitation.
Right.
Because when ndị ga-agwa gị na hapụ ihe because you need
expand your
But ọ wụrụ asụsụ nke ọzọ achọrọ m ịkpọ aha ha were egwu ọ na-aga ebe niile.
Exactly.
So that's why ihe anyị nwa na-emekwa ihe na-emegide ya wụ ka na-emekwa ndị ọzọ ndị na-abịa after us encourage o kwesịghị iru na turn anyị ya nwụọ because ndị nna nna anyị ha Oliver De Coque ha Saworio na-egwu so ha mere anyị nwe inspire and anyị were touch anyị nwa ji the button na-agakwa na anyị ga-ahapụkwara ya ndị ọzọ so o kwesịghị ịnwụ anwụ so ya maka m jikwa na-akpọ ndị Igbo anyị ndị na you know because ha dị quick to say na ndị artist a na-enyere onwe ha aka nka bata onye batakwa n'ime ya ghọta ya ghọta ihe artist ahụ na-ahụkwa so ha nwa na onwe ha nwere support ha nwa kwesịrị ị na-enye which ha nwa na-enye you get so m na-akpọ onye ọbụla owo source artist and I like ihu unu mere yesterday you know the culture here is big you get so things like that it makes us you know oh really our people really are rooting for the culture. We are not lost, you know. So it makes us want to do it more. You get me?
Chai, who's cutting onions? Oh, that was so touching. That was so touching. But it's true, you know, that's something that I think about a lot, right? And that's why I actually want to make this series, right? Because I feel like Igbo culture is so beautiful. You know, like we have so much to share. And I really want to encourage us to, even if it feels like nobody will understand or you feel like you're limiting yourself by learning in your culture thing, like I know. No, you know, like you never know who's looking for, you know, that inspiration, who's, you know, stuff like that. So I just hope that our culture and our music stays alive. So
same here.
Thank you.
We're doing our little part.
Doing a little part. That's all we can do. You know, while it will prolong. Nah, Jesus. And Igbo an EP coming out. Okay, what can we expect?
EP Tradomedical. I'm the first one. That's the volume 1. That was last year. So this is the volume 2 coming. And it's you know my style of music, Highlife music, Igbo music for the culture. Igbo Nwere Mmadu. That kind of vibe.
That's my vibe. That's my vibe.
So I'm pretty sure you like it. So I got put end of one kind.
Okay.
So I name it to finishing touches.
Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Ready. Email, honey. Like,
so far as all give me,
Okay.
It's good. Why a bit about like, you know, the creative process, like being like, you know, they're your songs, like, you know, walk us through.
Some Igbo, well, it happens in the head.
So the talent said that's a gift.
It happens in the head. So my idea nwere ike iwu from okwu ikwuru or ihe m nụrụ mmadụ kwuru or something just egwu n'isi m, you know, and you know, before you know it, I have some melodies I'm you know, battling with. I record them on my phone. Just it's like a puzzle. You keep fixing it in your head. Even before I go to the studio, sometimes I hear a beat and it just
I see.
In 2 hours we're done with the song. Sometimes some songs take me a very long time because you know, some songs even take me like 2 years.
Are you serious?
To make one, a particular song. It doesn't mean like in that 2 years I might have made plenty other songs, but this one
I see.
is just there.
I get it. You know, small. Yeah, that's what they say. You can't rush the creativity. You have to just let it.
I just go with the flow.
Okay, that's good. You do give me very like go with the flow vibes like, you know, like you're not in you just vibe. That's cool. That's cool. You know that joke, right? That they say that like if most African parents, when it comes to things of the creative sector, whether it's like fashion or music, you know, sometimes they're like, are you sure you don't want to be a doctor? Are you sure you don't want to be an engineer? Like, what was that like for you?
It was almost the same. Along the line, they were like, all right, this is what you want to do, let's do it. Especially my mom, she's like my #1 fan.
Shout out to Mom C.
Like where she is now, she might be on YouTube searching for my new song.
Aww, that's so
She's
cute.
Cool like that.
That's so cute.
Yeah, but my family has been very supportive.
Oh, that's good. That's good. You were
Yes. I'm the 9.
9. Wow.
Yeah. So you guess where I fall in.
Okay. Echem na iji iwu nke ikpeazụ mana ịdị close to the end. What was? Am I close?
Almost.
Almost. You're the last one?
Yeah.
I was gonna guess it! So I was like, oh! I knew it. 'Cause, you know, I have a joke that like last borns and the moms are like this. I was seeing this the way he was like, I love my mom. I was like, it's giving last born, but I was like, let me just assume he's second to last. Oh, you're last born.
Yeah, last child of mine. 5 boys, 4 girls.
4 girls. Hey, yeah. Shout out to the family. Shout out to the family. Inemegu. Is that correct? Inemegu. Inemegu. So, mbi anaghị emegwu. Me anaghị emegwu. So, gịnị ka ị na-eme na your free time?
Nwere ike na-egwu mmiri. M na-like egwu mmiri.
Really? Wow, I'm jealous.
Na-apịa table tennis.
Okay.
Na-agbakwa FIFA.
Okay.
Then you could just be chilling with friends.
Just vibing.
Yeah.
Okay, so K Football Club. Support.
I'm not so big on.
You're not so big on
football.
Okay.
Like I watch football.
Yeah.
I
play it, but you're not like
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna play a quick game.
I think I suck at games.
It's not a game like that. It's not a game like that. It's more like a game for me. Don't worry. Igbo Nwaba.
Yes.
I'm on Imo State, so
Imo State.
yeah. But
Onion
Java local government. Norlo zone.
Yeah.
Igarambo. So like
Magalolu before.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah,
cool.
Friends there.
Okay. Nice. So, achọrọ m ka kụziri m Aba slangs, so that when I go, I can blend in.
So maybe you say something and maybe I tell you how an Aba person.
Okay. So if I want to say, oh, how are you in Aba? Okay, just how far?
Yeah, how
far?
Olewe.
Olewe. Okay. Wow, Olewe. Okay, Olewe. Okay, Olewe. Okay, so I'm about to say Olewe. Gini kike. Udo Odema. Okay. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ikwu like, oh, nwa dị nwa. Or expect.
Yeah. A lot of ways. You can say wow machine.
Wow machine. Okay, wow machine.
Yes. Wow ite.
Ooh, ite. Okay. You want to say like maybe like you're hungry or something, you know, like I'm gonna go you.
I want to eat. Wabo is to eat. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Boy, can I wabo? Let's go.
Are you kidding me? If someone told me that, I would not even like. Okay, kanga wabo.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. And that's only for like food, or could that be for like enjoyment too? Like if you want to go to like
that's
a party.
Food.
That's food. Wabo is for food specifically. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Party boy, kanga ko.
Kankwati. Like a little. Okay, I like that one. Okay. Any like insults? Like I have specific insults. Like it's like,
Well, Obuara Bakwalago.
Hey.
Obuara Bakwalago.
Okay, Obuara Bakwalago. Okay, Ugbara. Ogbo. Aragbalakwalagio. Make you know Mado. I'll freshen up that one. Oh man. Okay, good. So next time I go to Aba, I'll just be speaking.
Ogbo.
So don't try it.
Barogwugo means maintain yourself.
Okay, maintain yourself. Okay.
Pour your medicine. Drink your medicine.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
There's one more I wanted to learn. Like, like if someone is looking like cool, like they say steez, all these steez or like, someone is like looking sharp.
Could be your child.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Come vibes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're about to wrap it up here.
Yeah, cool.
I think I just want to ask one more question, if that's okay.
All right, cool.
What advice do you have for Igbo youths growing up in the diaspora about how they can, make sure to stay connected to their roots?
They should be like you.
You guys, you should be like me. Subscribe. Just kidding.
Yeah, trying to identify with the culture.
Yeah.
Identifying with different groups about the Igbo community. I think that's about it.
Okay.
Going online
to
look up the Igbo history. Just trying to be involved. Yeah.
Right, for sure. Ruffcoin. Dalo. Chukwu goziegi. Okay, everyone. So that concludes this first episode of Igbo Nwere Mmadu. Thank you so much once again. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Listen to his EP.
Yes,
listen to his EP, Volume 2.
It's dropping. Tradomedical,
okay.
It's dope.
I know. Can't wait. We'll do a listening party.
Yes.
All right, everyone. Till next time. Kemesia. Bye.
Igbo Nwere Mmadu, Igbo Nwere Mmadu, ndị na-enyere obodo aka, ndị na-eweta udo, ha na-amụ n'ihe dịka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Ịbịa n'Igbo land, ha bụ ndị obodo ji aba. Igbo Nwere Mmadu, Igbo Nwere Mmadu, ndị na-enyere obodo aka, ndị na-eweta udo, ha na-amụ n'ihe dịka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Ịbịa n'Igbo land, ha bụ ndị obodo ji aba.